Laura and Mexican Food by Laura. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make an authentic Mexican birria. Yes, this is the real Mexican recipe for birria, and I would love to know what will you make with this birria? Birria quesadillas or probably birria tacos? Show me what you make with my video. So let's start. For this recipe, you will need the following: 7 pounds of goat meat or beef, whatever you prefer. The following spices, and of course chiles: 5 chiles anchos, 7 chile guajillo or mirasol, and 5 cascabel. You will also need half an onion, 6 tomatoes, 8 garlic cloves, and a tablespoon of cooking oil. Now let's spread that oil on the veggies, and you have 2 options: cook them on a griddle. It will take about 20 minutes, and remember to flip them over so they can cook evenly, or much easier, just put them in the air fryer at 400 Fahrenheit for about 4 to 5 minutes. This also is a perfect and easiest way to make a salsa, amigos. Now, take your chiles and get rid of the branches and seeds. Now, place those chiles on a griddle at a medium heat. This will help us to give more flavor to the chiles. Keep flipping them over. As soon as they start to smell, it's time to move them to a pot with some hot water. Make sure that they don't burn, or this is gonna turn out a little bitter, okay? Now, you don't need to cook the chiles, just to rehydrate them. Leave the chiles soaking in water for about 10 minutes. Make sure that they are really submerged in the water. You can keep them down with the help of a plate. In the blender, add 1 cup of water and half a cup of vinegar. It can be apple vinegar, white vinegar, and add all the ingredients: the chiles, now the roasted tomatoes, all of the spices, the garlic, the onion, and now you need to blend all of this until pulverized. Just make sure that everything is inside. Now rinse the meat and place it inside your Instant Pot. We are gonna place as much as we can without going to the border. And now we're gonna add the mix that we just made in the blender. Bath all the meat with the salsa and cover. Now you're gonna cook it in the option meat and bean at the Instant Pot. Once this is cooked, separate the meat from the broth. Doesn't it look delicious? Yes, I know. Now, let the meat cool down a little bit and shred with the help of a knife and fork. Pass the broth through a sieve and just keep the broth. Now, we're gonna place this broth inside a pot. Yes, get rid of whatever you don't need. Put this inside a pot, and we are gonna add 8 cups of water. Yes, this is gonna be thick. We wanna make it a little lighter and less spicy, so just add the water, stir, and we're gonna add a little bit more of flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and also 1 tablespoon of oregano. Stir and let it boil for about 15 minutes. Stir once in a while during those 15 minutes. Now, this is served this way. This is the Mexican way, amigos. Serve the meat, add the broth. Yes. And now chop some onions, cilantro, get some lime ready, and yes, just sprinkle with the onion. Oh, this makes such a delicious flavor. Add also some cilantro. Just put some lime on top, and this is ready to eat. Amigos, this is the authentic Mexican birria. How do you make birria? What kind of meat or beef do you use? You can use cow beef, you can use chivo or goat, you can use lamb. I prefer the chivo. The goat birria is the authentic one. So make your quesadillas, make your tacos. I will love wherever you make with this recipe. So show me what you got.